Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can put a video in a green screen overlay on CapCut. So first you need to select a video that you want to put to the green screen overlay, and then go to overlay and select the green screen that you want. Okay, so here is the green screen. Just click on add, and then after that what you need to do is just fit the size of the video of the overlay, and then go to cutout. Use the chroma key to get rid of the green screen. So drag the color picker into the green screen here, and then adjust the intensity and also the shadow to make it more clean like this. So you can just adjust the intensity and also shadow based on your liking, and when you're done just click on a check icon, and here is the result. The video will be on the green screen like this. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.